Well, a good Wednesday morning, everybody. All of our eyes continue to be focused on Helene and how it will impact us. We know for certain we're watching for rainfall to move in here probably late in the day on Thursday and into Friday from south to north. That rain could be heavy at times, not only heavy, but wind-driven as well, as those winds will really start to pick up. Helene is going to pick up forward speed once it makes landfall, so it's not going to die down relatively quickly. So gusty winds are looking pretty likely, especially late Thursday and into Friday. There could be gusts higher than this, maybe in that 40 to 50 mile an hour range before those winds start to subside as we get into the weekend. Now today, lots of clouds around, maybe a couple of sprinkles, just another gray day. However, the further to the west you go, the better chances you have of seeing some clearing, which you'll see here on Futurecast. Notice Bowling Green for the most part, lots of cloud cover, but you get west of Kentucky Lake, and we might actually see a peak of sunshine or two. Models might be overdoing the amount of clearing. We'll see, but just keep that in mind. If you see a couple of peaks of sunshine, don't be surprised. But still that chance for a couple of leftover showers, sprinkles, maybe a heavier downpour mixed in there, and that chance kind of continues even into tomorrow afternoon. After that, the weather starts to go downhill as we continue to watch Helene, which as of this taping was still a tropical storm with 65 mile an hour winds, but is expected to quickly today become a hurricane and really strengthen as we go through the day. And you see the latest update here from the Hurricane Center, moving it basically right over our area by the time we get to Friday, and there will be some pretty dramatic impacts from that. Now you look at the spaghetti models, there is still some variation. If it takes more of this westward track toward eastern and north central Kentucky, that will greatly impact our weather as we get toward Thursday and Friday, which is why we say you're going to want to keep checking back with us for updates. Upper 70s today, a couple of showers, maybe some peaks of sunshine. If we see some sunshine, temperatures will warm up maybe into the lower 80s. 50s tonight for our lows, not a bad sleeping night, but you look at the extended forecast, lots of rain. A windy, wet, raw day on Friday as Helene moves through. Lingering showers on Saturday. It may still be breezy. We may not see the sunshine until early next week.